Latest on the transfer news and whatever bafethu uvandalo. So I'm back again with indaba zakwe-Betway Premiership esiyibonile iphuma namhlanje bafethu. Indaba ke ngiyibonile namhlanje engiyizwile ingestriker seGolden Arrows. Istriker seGolden Arrows eshisa kakhulu bafethu. Sesidlale ama-matches awu-12 kwi-Betway Premiership. Sescore ama-goals awu-7 so far. Njengoba nje sescore ama-goals awu-7 kuthiwa ama-team anjengo-Kaizer Chiefs nale team le yadidlana i-Kaizer Chiefs i-Al Masry bamfuna lo mjida lo uyi-striker escore ama-goal. Singesazi ukuthi ubani ozoyiwina leyo race leyo, but ke it looks like umjida ufuna ama-team amaningi after eshiyile amaZulu. After eshiya amaZulu nje umjida ukwi-form e-right kakhulu. It looks like bafethu umbukazi, umbekezeli mbukazi ngeke azehambe manje. Ngeke azehambe manje. It looks like umjida uzowuqeda unyaka with Orlando Pirates ahambe next year ayojoina iChicago Fire. Njengoba simbona nje ade jima with Orlando Pirates namhlanje bafethu. Zangijabulisa kakhulu ukuzizwa le ndaba lezi. Bengingathanda kodwa ukuthi umjida athi ukuhlala kancane iziphele isizini. Yabo, athi nje ukuhlala kancane, but ke let's hope izinto bazokwazi ukuyilungisa at the back office mfethu. But ke umjida kuyangijabulisa ukumbona maybe uzoba khona kule game Orlando Pirates against iDurban City. Yabo, kwezinye izindaba bafethu ke nikhumbuleke Orlando Pirates iyodlala nje ifinal against iMarumo Gallants. Njengoba iyodlala nje ifinal against iMarumo Gallants. iMarumo Gallants inabadlali abangaki abawu4 okungenzeka bathola ama-yellow card okuWashington Arubi, uSekela Sithole, noMphotshabathane noJason Clifford. Mase ubheke labadlali labo abathathu babo, these are their key players. uJason Clifford is one of their key players. He's very good at that striker. Mase kuba uMphotshabathane, a very good center back. I recently spoke about uMphotshabathane. Umjidi uyakwazi ukuthi uyakwazi ukudefend uMphotshabathane. Yabo, mase kuba uWashington Arubi. I don't need to say a lot about uWashington Arubi. You guys know uWashington Arubi. Yabo. So labadlali labo mase badlale against iMagis. Remember they are playing on Sunday against iMagis. Uma sebadlale and one of them gets a yellow card. Actually, bonke bawathola ama-yellow card ngeke badlale against Orlando Pirates because bazobe be-suspended. Naku Orlando Pirates abadlali abanjengoTito Maswanganye, Sihle Nduli and Leboni Siyema, labo badlali labo bane-risk yokuthi babe suspended uma mase bedlale against iDurban City, uma mase bethola amakhadi against iDurban City. Yabo, let's hope ukabajida ngeke bawathola amakhadi kutholwane nje kwifinal zimnandi zinjalo ngoba ifinal phela, ifinal amathikithi aphumile after 3 hours. Amathikithi ephumile avela abe sold out amathikithi after 3 hours ephumile. Ngiyayibona kodwa i-team ethu Orlando Pirates yenza sure uma khona amathikithi akumele athengwe iyawathenga azaphele njengoba nje nizwile Orlando Pirates iyodlala against iMarumo Gallants. Kwezinye ke zindaba eziphumile bafethu kuthiwa AmaZulu FC are set to sign 2 Zimbabweans okuThakunda Benhura noMersin Mushore in January 2026. These are the 2 players afunwa AmaZulu FC. AmaZulu ngempela bafethu i-scouting department sabo angisazi kodwa yabona lo msebenzi abawenzayo uyancomeka ngempela and ngisathana kubona lento le sathana kwenziwa eGolden Arrows. Na iGolden Arrows bafethu siyayibona because yona iGolden Arrows kuthiwa umdlalo wabo besathana kumlanda nje okubani okuIsaksise. He's already attracting interest from top PSL clubs in Gauteng. But to top PSL clubs in Gauteng, you can name Orlando Pirates, you can name Kaizer Chiefs, you can name Mamelodi Sundowns, but I'm putting Orlando Pirates at the top because you know the relationship between the Golden Arrows with the Orlando Pirates. You might see this 19-year-old playing for the Orlando Pirates, but again, there are teams adlala in North Africa as well, such as amateam go Belgium and Portugal. So umjida right now njengoba 19 nje first season yakhe so far unamagoli amathathu and uyi central defensive midfielder. So you don't need a lot of goals on a central defensive midfielder, but when you can look at this guy can play. Lo mjida uyalazi ibhola. Yabo, I've seen some games akhe. Yabo, he is one of the reasons why Golden Arrows is stable kanje umidlala, because there is this player 19 years old. Hard to believe, but ke kwezinye izindawo amathikithi bafethu kuthiwa 80% tickets sold. 80% tickets sold lapha eMosmabhid. Hambani uyothenga amathikithi. Orlando Pirates versus iDurban City. ingabi sold out ongalithenganga ithikithi lakho. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu, umdlali weTS Galaxy, i-left back yeTS Galaxy uqobo lwakhe Sibande has arrived in Egypt and set to sign for one of their all rich clubs. Singesazi-ke umkhumbulahle umjida ubefunwa yini, ubefunwa iZamalek. Njengoba befunwa iZamalek nje kuthiwa ubonakalile ese-Egypt eyosayina amaphepha njengoba nimbona nje bafethu. Hey, TS Galaxy iyapheka. iTS Galaxy, they are really exporting their players. They don't care ukuthi nithini. They just want the money. Yabo, and they know how to cultivate, because most of these big teams, they just leave out these young boys, and uTim Sukazi uyabalanda abajoinise yona iTS Galaxy mase yakwazi ukwenza imali ngabo.